In this video, I have tried to cover all the aspects about comet. Comets. Word comet means long hair and the name was given by Aristotle. Ancient people consider comet as hairy star that appear unpredictably in the sky. Comets are cosmic snowballs which shine bright like star, but unlike star, they have bright tail. In fact, comets don't have light of their own. They only reflect light when they come close to sun. Comets are particularly icy bodies in space that release gas or dust. They are often compared to dirty snowballs, though recent research led some scientists to call them snowy dirt balls. Comet contain dust, ice, carbon dioxide, ammonia, methane, and many more gases. Astronomers think comets are left over from the material that initially formed the solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. Some researchers think comets might have originally brought some of the water and the organic molecules to Earth that now make up life here. For centuries, scientists thought comets traveled in the Earth's atmosphere. But in 1577, observation made by Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe revealed they actually travel far beyond moon. Sir Isaac Newton later discovered that comets move in elliptical oval-shaped orbits around the sun and correctly predicted that they could return again and again. A comet is made up of four visible parts: the nucleus, the coma, the ion tail, and the dust tail. The main part of a comet is called the nucleus. It is made of frozen water and gases plus dust and rock. The nucleus usually measures a few miles across. Most of the time, a comet consists of only its nucleus. However, when a comet gets close to the sun's heat causes it to shed gas and dust. A huge cloud of gas and dust called a coma which builds up around the comet. The coma is sometimes larger than the Earth. It makes the head of the comet look blurry. When a comet moves even closer to the sun, it grows tail. This happens because the sun gives off energy and stream of particles. They push some of the coma, dust and gases into long streams. Comet tails can be very long as distance from Earth to the sun. The coma and tails last only while the comet is fairly close to the sun. Usually we see two different tails: dust tail and ion tail or gas tail. Dust tail is yellow in color and ion tail is blue in color. Comets are usually divided into two groups, determined by the type of orbit they have. The first type of comet is short period comet. Short period comets have orbits of less than 200 years. Some have very short orbits of just a few years. These type of comet originate from the Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt is a region of the solar system that lies beyond the planets and the orbit of Neptune. It is much larger than the asteroid belt. The Kuiper belt contains millions of icy objects, including some larger objects like the dwarf planet. The second type of comet is the long period comet. Long period comets have orbits of greater than 200 years. Some long period comets have orbits of thousands of years. Scientists think that long period comets come from the Oort clouds. The Oort cloud, well beyond the Kuiper belt. Scientists believe there is another collection of billions of comets called the Oort cloud. This is where long orbit comets come from. The outer limit of Oort cloud defines the outer boundary of the solar system. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet, named after the English astronomer Edmund Halley. He determined that comets seen in 1531, 1607, 1682 is same, and its motion is periodic. He predicted Halley's Comet in 1759 and explained that it appears after every 76 years. It was seen recently in 1986. It is predicted to be seen again on 2061. Yes, we can visit Comet not actually in person, but by sending robots and spacecraft to Comet to observe it and gather its detail. Exploration of Comet started long back in 1986 when during Giotto mission, fleet of robots from all over the world were sent by United States, Russia, Japan and European Union to study Halley's Comet. They observed it and could not stay there for long, but they collected important data and explained how comet looked like. Advances were made in 2004 when Deep Impact spacecraft was able to touch the surface of comet and revealed information about Nucleus. Finally, in 2014, we reached a stage when Rosetta, European Union mission, landed on the surface of Comet and stayed there for almost 2 years. Such visits help scientists to explore more and more about comets. Hope you enjoyed the video.